So let's get started. Remove now the 8 plastic fasteners. Loosen up the bottom plastic plate. Should pop right out. It's caught here somewhere. There it goes. So there's the front plastic plate. Okay, my GoPro chip filled up, so I'm not sure where I left off when I was taking out the bolts for the bumper, but I'm already done taking out all 8 bolts. Now it should just pop right out. That's what we're gonna do. That's one side. There you go. Bumper's off. Hey guys, so I went ahead and I installed the fog lights, the new bumper, the Rugged Ridge bumper. I had to disassemble the whole bumper, the OM bumper from the Jeep. I did not record that because it was a bit time consuming. So I am going to install a winch to this new bumper. So I gotta put these 2 brackets. So this bracket is for the driver's side, and this bracket is for the passenger side. There's a bolt here and a bolt here. Take the bolt out and insert these things. That's what I'm gonna do now. It has support for the actual front of the frame here. So I'm just gonna mount this like this onto the frame of the Jeep. The other side has the same thing. Alright guys, so let me show you what's going on here. The hardware was supposed to bring plastic washers to hold these 2 bolts that's going to go onto the frame of the Jeep. They were missing, so I had to put racks behind it to hold it in place. Once I have it on the Jeep, I'll pull the racks out Hey guys, here's the final product. I had to step out for a couple hours. When I got back, it was too late for me to start to film again. So I just went ahead and installed it. It was pretty smooth for the most part. The the passenger bolts, the cloth didn't work very well, so I had to take it off, put it back on 3 times. I finally put some cardboard behind, and that worked out really well. Overall, it's not too bad of a job. I installed the brackets for the winch. So there you have it. It's pretty solid. I have the old bumper in the bottom, new bumper on top. Let's remove the old bumper. There you have it. We're gonna go with the blue theme. Let me turn her on. You can see the fog lights. There you have it. That's the O&M fog lights. Fit perfectly. You don't need brackets or anything for them. So, there's the final product. Solid. I'm very happy. Thank you.